Hi, my name is Prasad Bomma. Thanks for joining this session. I'm here to talk about reshaping the very foundation of retail, artificial intelligence for store assistance. As a senior data engineer and architect with over 18 years of experience in this field, I have seen how data, algorithms, and smart systems are transforming businesses. AI doesn't just support backend analytics, it becomes a frontline tool for engaging customers, optimizing operations, and driving strategic decision making. Today's session is designed to unpack this transformation. I'll guide you through how AI and machine learning are integrated into retail environments, both online and in physical stores, and how these technologies are helping businesses to meet modern consumer expectations. This is not just about technology, it's about experience. It's about using data and intelligence to craft better, more efficient, and more personal shopping journeys. Whether you are a tech guy or a retail executive or simply curious to know about how AI is impacting in retail stores, this session will help you to walk away with some valuable insights today. Let's dive in and explore what the future of smart retail really looks like. Here is what we will cover over this session. First, I'll give a quick introduction to the state of AI in retail to provide context to it. Then we will see some statistics about growth and investment in the space. We'll see some specific applications like virtual try-ons, cashierless checkouts, and AI-powered restocking systems. Then we will dive into future trends, especially hyper-personalization, dynamic pricing, and the digitalization of brick and mortar stores. From there, we'll go deep into core applications of AI in retail, inventory management, chatbots, recommendation systems, and more. We will learn about ML models and tools empowering these applications. Next, we'll break down the most important frameworks and technologies: TensorFlow, PyTorch, Azure AI, and SageMaker. Then we will discuss the kinds of data AI relies on, like structured, unstructured, visual, and behavioral. We will also cover a real case study to make things tangible and show how it benefits. Let's begin with the big picture. Retail is undergoing a profound transformation, and AI at the heart of it. In just the past 5 years, we have seen retail environments become far more digital, data driven, and automated. AI in retail is projected to grow from 26.9 billion in 2023 to over 60 billion by 2030. That's a compound annual growth rate of 31%. This is not marginal, it's exceptional growth. Why? Because AI addresses two core challenges in retail: efficiency and personalization. Customers expect more, faster service, personalized offers, seamless experiences. At the same time, businesses face pressure to reduce operational cost and make smarter decisions in real time. AI is uniquely positioned to solve both the challenges. Think about your last shopping experience. Did you get product suggestions that matched your preferences? Did a chatbot assist you? Was your checkout fast and personalized? If so, there is a good chance AI played a role behind. Retailers are using AI for dynamic inventory management, ensuring shelves are stocked not just based on past data but on predictive insights. They are using it to understand customer sentiment from reviews to analyze demand spikes based on weather or local events, or even to create hyper personalized promotions based on browsing behavior. As we continue, I'll show you how different types of AI, natural language processing, computer vision, predictive analytics are coming together to create intelligent, responsive, and customer first retail ecosystems. Many still rely on manual processes, gut feeling, or outdated systems, but the rise of cloud AI platforms and pre-trained models, even small businesses can implement chatbots, customer segmentation models, or pricing optimization tools with minimal cost and high returns. The future of AI in retail is incredibly exciting and can be summarized in three key trends: hyper-personalization, real-time dynamic pricing, and AI optimized physical stores. Let's start with hyper-personalization. This goes beyond showing how you products based on your browsing history. It's about using data from multiple touchpoints, social media, purchase history, real time location, even biometric signals to create a tailored experience. Imagine walking into a store where screen welcomes you by name and offers deals based on your preferences. That's where we are headed. Second, real time dynamic pricing. AI models can now adjust prices based on current inventory, competitor pricing, market demand, and even weather or event data. Airlines and hotels have used this for years. Now it's coming to retail. For instance, a grocery store can rise or lower the prices based on product expiration timelines or foot traffic trends, maximizing profits while minimizing waste. Third, brick and mortar optimization. For years, physical stores have lagged behind e commerce in innovation, but that's changing fast. We now have AI powered systems for theft prevention, footfall analytics, and automated checkouts. Stores can analyze in store movement patterns to improve shelf layouts, deploy virtual mirrors, or use computer vision to track them interactions and optimize product placements. The big takeaway here is that AI is no longer just enhancing what we do in retail, it's redefining how we do it. It's creating new standard where convenience, speed, and personalization are no longer perks, they are expectations. Let's talk about how AI and machine learning are already reshaping everyday retail operations. The first and perhaps most impactful area is inventory management. Traditional stock control is reactive and manual, but with AI, stores now predict buying trends weeks in advance. Algorithm analyzes past sales, seasonal patterns, and even events like holidays or weather forecast. This predictive approach not only avoids stock outs but also minimizes overstock, which saves money and reduces waste. Next is demand forecasting. By leveraging machine learning models, often time series based, retailers can fine tune procurement schedules. For example, a fashion retailer may stock more raincoats in advance of wet season predicted by AI models trained on historical and meteorological data. Then we have personalized product recommendations. This is one of the most visible AI applications to customers. Think about streaming or online video companies. You see solutions tailored just for you. Retailers are now doing the same, whether it's suggesting a new skincare product based on the previous purchase or bundling offers according to buying behavior. These algorithms drive both customer satisfaction and higher revenue per transaction. One of the most rapidly growing areas is chatbots and virtual assistants. These are not the clunky bots of early 2000s. Today's AI assistants use NLP to hold real conversations. They assist with FAQs, offer style suggestions, event process returns, all 24 by 7 and often in multiple languages. Let's not forget AI enabled fraud detection. loyalty program optimization, and customer sentiment analysis from online reviews and social media feeds. AI turns noise into knowledge. What's most powerful here is these use cases are interconnected. A chatbot can collect customer intent data, which feeds into demand forecasting, which influences inventory restocking. The result is synchronized ecosystem where data flows intelligently between functions and reducing silos and maximizing efficiency. Now that we have seen what AI can do, let's explore core technologies making it possible. First up is processing, natural language processing (NLP). This is the engine behind smart chatbots and voice assistants. NLP models analyze customer queries, understand intent, and generate human-like responses. Next is computer vision. This is where AI analyzes visual data, images, videos, real time camera feeds. In retail, computer vision powers automated checkout systems, virtual try on apps, and even in store theft detection. For example, cameras can detect when an item is removed from a shelf and not scanned at checkout, instantly flagging potential loss. Then comes predictive analytics. This is where machine learning meets business strategy. Predictive models analyze past behavior to forecast future actions. We want to know which customer is likely to churn or which product category will spike next week. Predictive analytics gives the edge. Another underrated but crucial technology is recommendation engines. These systems blend collaborative filtering with behavioral data to generate real time tailored product suggestions. They are constantly learning and evolving as customer behavior shifts. Each of these technologies is supported by specific types of data. NLP uses text and speech, computer vision requires image video inputs, and predictive analytics works best with structured sales and transaction data. Together, these technologies form a toolkit for smart retail. To make all these technologies accessible, we have AI frameworks and platforms that simplify development, deployment, and scaling. Let's begin with TensorFlow. Developed by Google, it's flexible, product-oriented framework for building deep learning models. In retail, it's often used for time series demand forecasting, image-based inventory tracking, and recommendation engines. Retailers use TensorFlow to forecast foot traffic or detect low stock products through safe imagery. Next is PyTorch, a framework loved by researchers and developers community for its ease of use and dynamic computation. PyTorch powers NLP-driven chatbots, dynamic pricing models, and sentiment analysis engines. A small business can use PyTorch to create a simple chatbot that learns customer preferences over or monitors brand perception on social media. Moving on, Microsoft Azure AI. This is a cloud-based suite of tools that helps to deploy AI models at scale. Azure supports things like fraud detection through anomaly detection models, voice-enabled shopping assistants, and automated product tagging. It's a fantastic option for businesses that want to rapid deployment without worrying about server infrastructure. Then we have Amazon SageMaker, a fully managed ML platform. It's perfect for hyper-personalization, supply chain optimization, and even real-time search ranking on e-commerce site. Retailers use SageMaker to fine-tune product discovery algorithms and detect patterns in customer navigation data. Each of these tools support a wide variety of data types, from structured tables and transactional logs to image, video, audio, and text. Choosing the right framework depends on your goals. Are you optimizing logistics? Then go with TensorFlow or SageMaker. Building an intelligent chatbot, PyTorch and NLP are the best friends. The key takeaway here is you don't need to reinvent the wheel. The tools are measured, scalable, and readily available. Let's explore the fuel behind all these AI engines, the data. Retail AI doesn't work without large volumes of diverse, high quality data. And it's not just about having a lot of data, it's about having the right kind of data. Let's break it down by first we have time series data. This is historical sales records, foot traffic counts, seasonal trends, and other metrics measured over time. AI models like LSTM or ARIMA variants can forecast demand or identify supply chain inefficiencies using this data. Then we have transaction data, the records of individual purchases. This includes SKUs, payment methods, discounts, store IDs, customer IDs, and more. It's the backbone for pricing strategies, inventory movement, and customer lifetime value analysis. Text data is crucial for understanding customers, reviews, chatbot transcripts, product descriptions, and social media posts all contain valuable sentiment and intent. NLP models parse this unstructured text to extract keywords, classify emotions, or generate response suggestions. Another major input is visual data. Images and videos feeds. Cameras are used in computer vision models for tasks like object recognition, theft detection, facial analysis, and product categorization. Audio data is becoming more common as voice commerce rises. Voice assistants convert voice to text, interpret it, and trigger backend systems. And finally, we have clickstream and behavioral data, which captures how users interact with apps or websites. Every click, scroll, or page record, uh, page exit is recorded. This data is used to improve search algorithms, personalize product feed, and reduce cart abandonment rates. Collectively, these data types enable AI to operate in a truly omni-channel fashion, bridging online and in-store experiences. What matters most is the data integration and quality. Clean, well-labeled, and regularly updated data sets produce better models performance and deeper insights. Without the right data foundation, even the most powerful AI tools are not much useful and effective. To make this real, let's look at a practical case study that uses open source retail data to drive business decisions. I worked with a dataset that include store sales, history, customer demographics, and product level transaction details. Using machine learning, especially regression models and clustering algorithms, have identified actionable insights that could improve both revenue and customer satisfaction. First, I segmented customers based on demographics and buying behavior. This allowed for the creation of targeted marketing campaigns that significantly increased conversion rates. Second, the regression analysis revealed interesting trends. For instance, certain product categories performed better in specific seasons and geographic areas. This information was used to fine tune product placement and advertising timing. Third, I observed inefficiencies in inventory stocking. Some stores constantly overstocked items with low demand. Using predictive models, I have recommended for optimal stock levels based on forecasted demand, which resulted in a 12% reduction in inventory waste. I also applied a sentiment analysis to customer reviews. This helped the business to prioritize quality control in products that receive frequent negative feedback while amplifying visibility for the products with strong reviews. Lastly, I evaluated promotional impact using uplift modeling by comparing purchase behavior across similar customer groups who received and didn't receive offers. I optimized future promotion strategies, ensuring that discounts were targeted where they were produced the highest return. All of these insights came from analyzing structured and unstructured data through AI. What's more powerful is that these methods are scalable, whether you are a national chain or a small retailer. These same techniques can be applied to any business using open tools like Python and cloud services like Azure ML. As I conclude, AI is no longer optional in retail industry. It's essential. Whether it's through smarter inventory control, highly targeted marketing, or seamless customer experiences, AI delivers real value. What's most exciting is that we are still at the beginning. Emerging technologies like reinforcement learning, generative AI, and edge AI are just started to enter the retail world. Imagine autonomous stores that continuously optimize layout based on live customer behavior or generative models that create hyper personalized product descriptions on the fly. We are also seeing more emphasis on ethical AI, ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. This includes preventing algorithmic bias, securing personal data, and maintaining customer trust. For developers and engineers, focus on interdisciplinary collaboration. Partner with marketing, logistics, and finance team to solve real business problems using right tools. AI in retail is here to stay and it's evolving fast. Whether you are a small startup or a global enterprise, embracing AI means embracing continuous improvement. Here are the some screenshots from my article. You can find more details and findings in my articles, which is published with the title Artificial Intelligence for Store Assistance, exploring the integration of AI and ML in retail environments. My journals articles are available on ResearchGate, Academia, and Google Scholar. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. Thank you once again.